Hi, in this video I will show you how to screenshot WhatsApp profile picture on Android in 2025. So in order to do that, let's head over first into our actual account. So you click onto these three dots and then click onto our settings, and in here we have our own profile picture. So you can head over and then just click on it, and then you should be able to actually screenshot it. However, if you want to screenshot another user's profile picture, what you can do is you can just head over and then locate them right around here. Like for example, we have in here this Manchester United. You can head over and click onto their name and click onto their profile, and then just trigger the screenshot option into your phone. So we have in here this screenshot. Head over and click on it, and then click on screenshot, and it should be able to screenshot this particular content. And as you can see, it should be able to be found onto your gallery once you're done with this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.